buntot, baka makiambutan at mapakan yung ating mga guests dyan. Kawawa naman. At syempre, bago tayo sayo ni Jollibee, bigyan muna natin siya ng isang masigabong palakpakan bilang pampagana. Okay, once again, let's give it for Jollibee dancing the tune of the all-time favorite, The Dance. Go Jollibee Energy! Hey! Go Jollibee Energy! Nakakit! Come on! Hey! Let's go Jollibee! Come on! Sabay-sabay! Hey! Okay, one more time. Come on, Jollibee, sabay-sabay. Hey! Idol! Tita! Come on, Jollibee, kanting mo yan. Hey! Go, Jollibee, one more time! Okay, and once again, let's give it for Jollibee! Ayan, Jollibee, dito ko muna sa gitna dahil kakantahan ko ulit natin ang ating birthday